Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust QLED color settings on your DREAME TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control, and after that navigate to the picture tile. Then here, first of all, select the picture mode, because all the settings will be applied to your picture mode. And after you select the picture mode that you need, navigate down to Advanced Settings. Here in Advanced Settings, we have different color adjustments. For example, we have color temperature, which we can switch from warm to standard to cool, and we can also adjust the red gain, green gain, and blue gain of the color. Besides, we can scroll down and find settings like Dynamic Color Booster, which we can switch between off, low, medium, and high. We can also enable the flash tone. We can enable the blue stretch if you'd like, and we can also adjust the gamma for the darker for the black colors. And below we can also find things like HDMI RGB range, which we can change for some inputs but not for all of them. And we also have color space, which we also can only change on selected inputs. So for example, while I'm connected to my PS5, I cannot adjust the color space. It is set to auto. And we can also go to the color tuner for the most color settings. So here we can enable or disable the color tuner, and if you enable it, you'll be able to manually adjust the color levels for HUE and for I accidentally switched to a different input. Give me a moment. So the HUE, the saturation for brightness, offset, and gain. And here we'll find pretty much the same adjustment settings, except for offset and gain only have three colors in the palette, and the rest of them has red, green, blues, cyan, magenta, yellow, and flesh tone too. So this way we can navigate colors for different settings. And in 11-point white balance correction, we can also adjust the color levels that will generally apply to the picture that we see on the screen. Here we can change the gain level too. And that's pretty much it. So these are all the color settings that we have on our TV, and that's how you can change them. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.